Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Today is Friday and it's also raining. Rainy season are my favorite, but we actually doesn't rain in Dubai. But it is raining today, so I'm so happy. Very happy. That's why we are going to a restaurant to eat our lunch. We reached the restaurant. It looks kind of like this only. It's a Bengali restaurant. My mom likes to eat those kind of food. That's why we came to a Bengali restaurant. Yep, so mostly I didn't understand anything that was written on the walls. I don't know how to read Bengali. Everywhere here it's at least like English. I could read each and every word, but then nothing blank for me. This is the food that we ordered. We ordered a plate of khichdi. No, chicken khichdi. And then we ordered a chicken tehari. And also we ordered chicken curry and a kind of bharta, my mom's favorite if you know her, and rice also. The rice was so much. This is all the food that we ordered. Now we're gonna start eating because I'm so hungry. We started with the khichdi, and I already khichdi all distributed among ourselves, and now I'm eating khichdi. But for others, I'm a slow eater. They're already eating the tehari. I'm going to eat tehari after I'm done this, and I love eating spices. As you can see me, I'm eating a chili with my food because I love eating spicy food. You can see I'm eating a chili. That whole chili I only ate it, but the chili was not that spicy. It was okay. We are still eating, and again, except for me, everybody is eating rice, and I'm still on the tehari. I feel like I'm so slow in front of my family. But I'm not a slow eater, you know. No, I'm not. Finally, we are done eating. We finished eating and we couldn't eat everything. That was a lot for us to eat. So we are just gonna take a parcel. Really, I was so full. I did not even finish my food. I still had rice in my plate, but I couldn't eat anymore. I just, you know, left it. After that, we came back to our car, and as you can see, it's raining in Dubai, and the roads are like wow, half it is drowned in water. Our like almost more than half of the tire is inside the water. আচ্ছা তার গাড়িটা তো দেখাচ্ছে কি তুমি বলে দেবে Now we are going to the Sharjah Beach. If you know me and my family, we love beaches. I just adore them. I love it so much. I feel like a new kind of energy when I'm there. When I am in beach, I feel so good. And here I am. We reached the beach. This is the outside. It looks so good. Everything is so clean, so tidy. I love the environment in here. we're going near the sea. Yeah, near the sea. There's the Arabian Sea. It was so windy, as you can see my scarf. It was so windy and the wind was so cold. I was feeling cold also, but I was feeling excited also. I was feeling so many emotions. I was feeling happy also, many things. And that was a cat. That cat was so sweet. When it came near us, Guru tried to touch it. I also did. The cat was so nice. It listened to us and it did not. It was not scared also. It was so good. I really like the cat so much. Now it is raining again. That's why we are heading back to our car, or else we will get wet. And if we get wet in this rain, we're gonna fall sick. Plus, I don't want to get sick. I am going to school, and I hate being sick, especially if I got a cold. That's why we're going back. Now we are back to car and we can show you like it's raining. If you can see our car's glass, it's totally wet. So at least we got wet a little bit, but not that much. Now it's raining so heavily. It is raining pretty heavily, that's why we discussed and we got to a conclusion that even if we try to visit some more places, it's raining and we'll get wet. We can't visit many places. It's really raining very heavily. That's why we just thought about heading home. But I really enjoyed today's day a lot because we went to the beach. And I think that's it for this video. I hope you liked our video. And one more thing, if you see the road, like I told you, it's water is like too much. Yeah, where I was like, yeah. If you liked our video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it to your friends and family, and turn your notification on so that whenever I post a new video you can see it. That's it for this video,